Napoleon Ji, Honorable Minister of Industry and Information Technology, Government of Kerala, Sri P.K. Kunalikutti Ji, Honorable Member of Parliament, Dr. K.P. Ramalingam Ji, respected Secretary to the Government of India, Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, and President CPET Governing Council, Sri K. Josiriak IS, respected Joint Secretary to the Government of India, Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, Srimati Nilkamal Darbari IS, respected Vice Chancellor, Cochin University of Science and Technology, QSAT, Dr. Ramachandran, respected Chairperson, Ellore Municipality, Srimati Lisi George, distinguished central and state government officials, dignitaries, special invitees, captains of plastic industries, members of plastic associations, members of United Forum of CPET unions, members from press and media, all my dear students and faculties who are witnessing this memorable inaugural function of CBPST in the God's own country at respective CPET center across the country through live video coverage. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all of you. At the outset, on behalf of the President CPET Governing Council and on behalf of the entire CPET team, I extend a warm welcome to all of you on this memorable occasion of inauguration of Center of Biopolymer Science and Technology, a unit of CPET in Cochin. With the kind patronage and support of both the central and state government, CPET could establish one more high learning center in a very specialized area at Cochin within a short span of time. I would like to accord my sincere and warm welcome to Honorable Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizer, Government of India, Thirumukka Palagiri Avargale, who has kindly accepted our request in spite of his very busy schedule and given consent to inaugurate the Center for Biopolymer Science and Technology, a unit of CPET in Cochin. Sir, under your visionary leadership, in the recent past, CPET has achieved many milestones in all the areas of academic programs, technology support, and research and development activities. Establishment of CBPST at Kochi is yet another memorable achievement of CPET. We are sure, sir, with your kind blessings, this center would flourish in the entire gamut of biopolymers and science and will cater to the needs of the polymers and biopolymer-based industry in the years to come. I extend my hearty welcome to Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Kerala, Sri Oommen Chandy, who has kindly consented to preside over this inaugural function as Chief Guest and jointly inaugurate CBPST Cochin along with the Honorable Minister for Chemical and Fertilizers, Thirumukka Palagiri. Sir, with your kindness, positive and proactive approach, it could be possible for CPET to set up this specialized high learning center in Kerala within a short time frame. I once again extend a warm welcome to you, sir. I also accord a warm welcome to Honorable Minister of State, Independent Charge for Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Government of India, Professor K.V. Thomas. Sir, we earnestly seek your kind support and cooperation for the development of CBPST Cochin in all its endeavors. My hearty welcome to Honorable Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, Sri D. Napoleon Ji. Sir, you have always been our well-wisher and participated in CPET functions, which indeed has motivated all of us to achieve greater heights in all the domains of CPET. I also welcome wholeheartedly Honorable Minister of Industry and Information Technology, Government of Kerala, Sri P.K. Kunalikutti, who has kindly consented to grace the occasion with his valuable presence. I take this opportunity to welcome Honorable Member of Parliament, Dr. K.P. Ramalingam, who always shown keen interest in the growth and development of CPET. All the Honorable Ministers and Member of Parliament have readily accepted our invitation as a guest of honor to grace the occasion and address the gathering. With folded hand, I welcome you, sir. I extend my hearty welcome to our respected Secretary to the Government of India, Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, and President CPET Governing Council, Sri K. Josiriak, for his valuable presence during this occasion. It is worth mentioning that with his dynamic leadership, guidance, untiring sincere sustained efforts, and micro-level management, this new specialized center at Cochin would become a reality. I take this opportunity to cordially welcome the Vice Chancellor, Cochin University of Science and Technology, Cochin, Dr. Ramachandran, who has extended full support and cooperation for establishment of CBPST Kochi and collaboration of CBPST with CUSAT Kochi for introduction of academic and research program. I extend my warm welcome to Joint Secretary to the Government of India, Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, Srimati Nilkamal Darbari, who is our guiding force in accomplishing all our activities within the stipulated time frame. I also welcome the Chairperson, Ellore Municipality, Srimati Lisi Judge. I also cordially welcome the distinguished senior officials from the Government of India, Government of Kerala, Syndicate and Senate members of CUSAT who have spared their valuable time and come over here to grace this memorable inaugural function. I welcome the scientists, professors, family members of CUSAT and CPET who are present here to witness this inaugural functions. I also welcome the captains of the polymer industries, from members from the Plast India Foundation, All India Plastic Manufacturing Association, Kerala Plastic Manufacturing Association, Tamil Nadu Plastic Manufacturing Association, IPI and other institutions who have come over from different parts of the country to participate in this memorable event. I also welcome from press and media who have gathered here to provide wider publicity for this event and make this function a grand success. I welcome once again all the faculty members, staff and students of CPET across the country. I once again welcome you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, let's now honor our guests with garland and shawl. കേരളത്തിലേക്ക് വിരുന്നു വന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട കേന്ദ്രമന്ത്രി ശ്രീ M.K. അഴഗിരി അവർകളെ കേരളത്തിന്റെ ആരാധ്യനായ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി ശ്രീ ഉമ്മൻചാണ്ടി അവർ ഇപ്പോൾ ഷോളും മാലയും നൽകി സ്വീകരിക്കുന്നു. Sri Ummachandi, the Honorable Minister, Chief Minister of Kerala, will now honor the Honorable Union Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Sri M.K. Alagiri, with a garland and a shawl. And now it's a turn of the Honorable Union Minister, Sri M.K. Alagiri, to honor our Chief Minister, Sri Ummachandi. Thank you, sirs. As a mark of the warm relation between the neighboring states of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Thank you, sirs. And now, let me request Dr. S.K. Sharma, Deputy Director, CPET, to honor Professor K.V. Thomas, the Honorable Minister, Union Minister for Food, Public Distribution and Consumer Affairs, Professor K.V. Thomas, with a garland and shawl. Thank you, sir. We are so happy to have with us here the Honorable Union Minister, Sri Napoleon, and I would request Dr. Vijay Kumar, the Deputy Director of CPET, to welcome Sri Napoleon with a garland and a shawl. കേരളത്തിന്റെയും പ്രിയങ്കരനായ അഭിനേതാവ് ശ്രീ D. Napoleon. Dr. K.P. Ramanendu. The Honorable MP, Dr. K.P. Ramalingam, he will be honored by Dr. S.K. Sharma, Deputy Director, CPET. The Honorable Member of Parliament from Tamil Nadu, Dr. K.P. Ramalingam is here. Let's now honor Sri K. Josiriak, IAS Secretary, Government of India. I would request Dr. Vijay Kumar, Deputy Director, CPET, to honor Sri Josiriak. And of our distinguished guests of the day, Dr. Ramachandran Dekade, Vice Chancellor of CUSAT, I would request Dr. T.O. Varghese, Manager, CBPST, to welcome Dr. Ramachandran Tekeder with garland and shawl. We have with us here the chairperson of the Elur Municipality, Srimati Lizzie George. I would request Srimati Rema of CIPET to honor Madam Lizzie. With a shawl and a garland. And now, a warm welcome to Srimati Neet Kamal Darbari, IAS Joint Secretary, Government of India. I would request Srimati Rema to welcome Srimati Neet Kamal Darbari. Thank you, ma'am. And now, I call upon the United Forum of CIPET Unions to honor our guests, CIPET Union members.
On behalf of the United Forum of CIPET Unions, we have great pleasure in expressing our good wishes to all our dignitaries on the dais and also to the members of the distinguished gathering who have reached this shore of Kerala from different parts of the country, trekking long distances. We are happy that our Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Kerala, has come over here to preside over this function. This United Forum of CIPET Unions is the body consisting of All India CIPET Employees Union, All India CIPET Officers Association, and All India CIPET SC/ST Employees Welfare Association. We are happy that our Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Kerala, has given his blessings for the inauguration of this Biopolymer Center in Kochi, and I would request Mr. Kiran Kumar, Mr. Nelson, as well as Mr. Suresh to garland the President of this occasion, Mr. Ruman Chand. We are happy to have amidst us our Honorable Union Minister for Chemicals and Fertilizers, Shri M.K. Adhikari Avargal. And it is because of our Honorable Minister, CIPET is growing in leaps and bounds. And whatever achievements we have been making today in various parts of the country and also this Biopolymer Center at Cochin, it is only because of his blessings. I would request our Mr. Venkatramana and Mr. Iswaran to garland our Honorable Union Minister. We have amidst us today Mr. D. Napoleon and Mr. K.V. Thomas, Union Ministers of State, and I would request Thamai Selvan, Mohan Kumar, as well as Mushak Ahmed and Bhaskaran to garland the Union Ministers of State. And Mr. Punhali Putti will be garlanded by our Sendilvel and Sundaram, and a member of the Parliament, Mr. K.P. Ramalingam, will be garlanded by Madhubandhu and Mr. Rangaya. We have our distinguished Professor, Dr. Ramachandran Tekeder, who will be garlanded by Dinakaran and Nikani. Our Honorable Secretary to the Government of India, Chemicals and Fertilizers, who has been mainly responsible, Mr. Jose Siriak is here, and he will be garlanded by our Thiruvallur and Mr. Vijay Kumar. And we have the traditional support to Mrs. Nilkamal Darbari, IAS, who is the Joint Secretary to Petrochemicals. She will be garlanded by Mrs. A. Rama and Bhovana, Dr. Bhovana. And we have amidst us two other important personalities, Mrs. Lily George, Chairperson of the Ellore Municipality, Kochi, who will be garlanded by Mrs. Lakshmi and Mrs. Nalini. And the manager of this coaching, Mr. is here, who will be garlanded by Sudhakar Reddy and Mr. Sheena. And the inspirer, the all-round personality, Dr. S.K. Nayak, who has been mainly responsible for all these, is here, would be garlanded by Mr. Nelson, Mr. Paira, and Mr. Umakant Chowdhury. Thank you all of you once again. Thank you very much.
And now Sri Sendil, representing Plasma of Madurai. The Plastic Manufacturers Association will now be honoring the guests of the days.